My English is not good enough to give 500 different answers and always the same question.
Nobody told me anything different since we spoke last time about this.
So nothing changed. If I speak to the owners, I don't think that this is the situation where I should talk about it.
Yeah.
I think if somebody, and in this case FSG, is saying something like this, that's the statement.
Why, you ask, if everything is okay between me and him? That was the question, right? And I answered with, of course.
What about a transfer request?
Oh yes, indeed. I didn't get it. Absolutely, 100%.
If Phil is not available for us, that's for me the bigger issue.
Yes, of course, absolutely, 100%.